Integrator Series Basic Training Chapter 9, Troubleshooting and Additional Resources. After completing this chapter, you should be able to access resources on the Symetrix website, explain the benefits of temporarily turning off firewall, spam filters, and antivirus while configuring, monitoring, or operating a system, troubleshoot connections by reviewing networking settings, check control numbers and protocols when working with third-party devices, send control commands to a DSP from remote terminal, access the help file to get information about all Integrator Series DSP features. This chapter covers basic troubleshooting tips and tricks for the Integrator Series as well as basic networking. Before we talk about these techniques, though, let's begin by looking at some resources you can use to design, configure, and deploy a Symetrix DSP. The support menu on the Symetrix website provides many resources for specifying, commissioning, and servicing Symetrix products installations. The technical support page lists the phone numbers, email addresses, and remote support links for the Symetrix technical support team. The Downloads page provides access to the extensive library of documentation available for download, including datasheets, schematics, quick start guides, tech tips, and site file templates. In addition to contacting Symetrix technical support, we have the option for on-demand training. The Webinars page hosts pre-recorded online technical presentations that contain detailed information and instructions on specific Symetrix hardware and software features. The documentation page is a repository of information to aid registered distributors, dealers, reps, and select AV specifiers in the process of specifying Symetrix products. The Knowledge Base page contains answers to frequently asked questions, tech tips, info on discontinued products, and more in easy-to-read documents. Use the search feature within the Knowledge Base or browse by category. Our Symposium community forum contains advanced technical information on Symetrix hardware and software features, as well as specialized programming tips.